So there's a story of his called The Tiny Sacred. It's in his first collection from when he was even younger than Conrad is now, I think. And there's this little orphan girl in it. Her name is Annabelle, but they call her the Thimble. Isn't that great? And she has consumption or something. And so she lives mostly in her tiny little room, mostly in bed. And she creates these imaginary worlds within the swirls of her bedspread and things like that. But when things are particularly bleak, she does the hope dance. Don't you love that? So when I was maybe 10 or 11 years old, after one particularly terrible day, evil stepfather, drunken rage, poor me, blah, blah, blah. One night, I just got up from my bed in the middle of the night, and I did it. I did the hope dance, and I instantly felt better. He gave that to me. He gave me that gift. And now he's right here. And he seems to like me. Me. While we were talking last night, I got weak in the knees. That's a thing that actually happened to me. My knees got weak. He touched me on the arm, right here, for like 2 seconds. I swear, it burnt me. I mean, what am I supposed to do with that?